Hey guys! If you want to know how to change the format of your image from any image format to PDF, this video is for you. A PDF file is a file that cannot be modified and it can be easily shared and printed. Let's begin. As you can see, I have this image right here in a JPEG format. You might have it in JPG, PNG, or any other image format. I want to convert it to PDF. To do this, I will open my browser. In my case, I'm using Firefox, but you can use any other. Now go to this link. ilovepdf.com. This website has a lot of tools to work with PDF files. Scroll down and you will find this JPG to PDF option. Click it. Now here we have 3 buttons. We can select the images from Google Drive, Dropbox, or directly from our PC. You can also drag them here if you want. In my case, I will choose the Select JPG Images button to choose it directly from my PC files. Now just search for it wherever you have it. In my case, I have it in my desktop. Just click it and click the Open button. It will give you some options like page orientation, page size, margin, and more. In my case, I will leave it like the default settings and just convert it to PDF. So I will click this button at the bottom right of the screen. Now the file is automatically converted to PDF. Click this button right here to download the PDF file. And as you can see, the image is now in a PDF file, in a DIN A4 page size. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.